Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm really excited to be showing you the last Barbie style doll from the Barbie Style series. And this is the one that won against Ken, if I'm not wrong, which is kind of sad because a Ken doll would have been awesome. But yeah, we have this one and she's really nice as well. I decided to get this one because I think the clothes and her accessories and stuff looks really nice in comparison to the third one. The third one was kind of boring to me. So here we have the box. As you can see, it has the same style as the other ones. There on the center it has the Barbie Style logo, and of course this is a little magnet so that you can open it easier. We have the marbling effect on the box, and yeah, that's pretty much it. It is the same quality as the other ones, which is like super sturdy and really smooth feeling. So yeah, let's open it up, and here we have the beautiful doll. It is really new, so that's why it is like not opening nicely. But yeah, here we have the doll. As you can see, she's displayed as all the other ones. So we have the doll in the middle with this plastic which is fading to pink to hide her body. And we have the shirt, the jeans, some of her accessories down here, her jacket, her skirt, and more accessories right there. And yeah, the doll there in the middle. Here on this side we have a picture of this last doll and the whole Barbie style dolls. I really think the only one that is kind of boring is the third one. I am really sorry to say that because she's really pretty, but her accessories are just like really plain. So yeah, I don't like that. Then on this side we have this other picture of the doll. She's like on a sidewalk, and here on the bottom it says Barbie. So the accessories on this side of the box are her shoes, which are like these socks, yeah, kind of shoes. This plastic bag, and that's it for that side. And on this side we have the cell phone, the little handbag, and her shoes, her heels. And yeah, that's basically it. Let's just remove this plastic now so we can check her out. She has gray underwear. This is darker than the second doll. The second doll had gray shirt and underwear, but yeah, those were lighter. She has of course the made to move body, and here we can see her beautiful face. I think she is pretty perfect, I would say, but we're going to check her out up close in a moment. Here's a look at the back of the box. As you can see, we have two really big pictures of the dolls, of the doll, just one doll. And we have this one, which I really like this look, but also this look is really awesome. Here we have the Barbie logo. Here we have some pictures. It looks really cool. We have all the accessories she comes with right here. And yeah, some more accessories. It would be really cool if we can get Barbie style furniture in the future. That would be awesome. And here it says Barbie style, and it says no more than 20,000 worldwide. So she's kind of limited, but not that much. Also the I think just the first one sold out. The other ones are still, the second one is on Material Creations, and the third one and this one are on Amazon. Yeah, I got her off of Amazon. So yeah, that's it for the box. Now I'm going to get her out and I'll be right back. Okay, so I'm back and here she is out of the box. I really like the way she looks. First we're going to check out her face, of course. So let me zoom in a little bit so we can check that out. So as you can see, she has a little bit of eyeshadow. It is basically just brown eyeshadow, I guess. She has pink lipstick, and there's a really tiny like scratch on the I don't know if it's a scratch or maybe it's something that got stuck on the paint, but in general it looks really pretty. And of course from far away it looks perfect, like there's no problem with her face. She has really thick eyebrows, as you can see, they're brown. She has brown hair. It has different shades of brown, as you can see. There's some darker strands and some lighter ones. She has the front of her hair all pulled back, and it is tied here, and the rubber band is like covered with some hair, and the hair is pretty soft and pretty long as well, so I really like that. There you can see how it looks. I brushed it with my fingers, so it is a little bit puffy, but in general it is I don't know, I really like the shape of it. As you can see, she has this really big gold hoop earrings. They are really nice. I don't think they come off. Let me try. Yeah, I don't think. Oh, yeah, they do. They do come off. So that's pretty awesome. And the pole is really long as well. So interesting. She came out of the stand. So yeah, there you can see the other earring. She has this. Let me remove her from the stand. She has this shirt which is gray, and it has Velcro on the back, as you can see, and the bottom part is gray as well, and it has an elastic waistband. Here we have her hands, so she has manicure, and it is like a dark purple, I would say. And of course she has her toenails painted as well, so there you can see it's a really cool detail, and I really like the fact that they decided to change the color for this last doll, because the other ones were pretty, like, I don't know, monochromatic. Of course she comes with the Barbie doll stand, like the standard one, which is a terrible stand. I really don't like this stand. As I said in previous videos, I just hate the way the pole, like, I don't know, it sticks up to the front, so the doll kind of, I don't know, it's really weird. But yeah, we have the beautiful doll right here. She has the made to move body, of course. It is a regular type of body, so yeah, that's basically it. Now we're going to check out the accessories. So first we have this jeans. They have Velcro, as you can see. They have the little I would say it's more like a bronze color buttons, and there's two right here and the one in the middle. She has belt loops and real pockets, and here we have the back. We have more little pockets, and they are functional too. And yeah, they are really nice. They are of course real denim. They have some distressing here on the legs, and here's a look at the bottom of them. Really nice. So yeah, a really cool piece. Basic pair of jeans, but really useful piece. We have this shirt, which is white, and it has a really nice color, as you can see. It has some buttons here on the front, some pockets. They are, I think they're real. Let me see. I'm going to use this shoe. Yeah, they're real pockets, so that's pretty awesome. And there you can see it is tied right there. I think you have to untie it to put it on the doll, so because there's just this little white button right here, and the rest is just held by that little knot. So yeah, we have the Barbie signature little tag right there, and yeah, it's again a really basic piece, but really nice as well, so I really like it. We also have this bag. It is plastic, as you can see, so yeah, pretty simple. It is really long, as you can see, compared to the doll. And then we have these black shoes. So as you can see, they have a really cool like strap that is like a spiral or something like that. And yeah, they look really nice. The heel again is really flimsy. Maybe not as much as the first Barbie style, but it is still quite flimsy. So I would have loved if they decided to go with a thicker heel like they did with the Barbie style number 2. But yeah. Then we have the jacket. As you can see, it is a really nice piece. It has really cool materials. We have the like the really shiny fabric right here. We have the buttons, they're white, but they're actual like glued on buttons. We have the pleather sleeves and the little cuffs, the collar right here, and we have the inside, which is lined, as you can see. The sleeves are not lined, but yeah, that will be like really difficult. And yeah, I really like the way this piece looks as well. I think it is kind of oversized, but we're going to check that out when I put it on the doll. Then we have this skirt, which is really, really nice as well. The fabric is really like flowy, as you can see, but it has a really cool texture and it is really, really soft. The colors are really cool as well. And we have a little snap right here. It is plastic, and yeah, I really like it. Then we have this bag, which it's really nice. I really like it. I know I already said that for other pieces, but it is really nice. It is I would say is the most detailed one that we've gotten so far from the Barbie Style collection, because as you can see, it has like the all the little stitching details. You cannot open that because like there's just a tiny bit of like translucent thread like holding it closed, but I think if you want, you can always cut that off and put a little snap right there. I don't know why they didn't do that, but yeah, maybe because this little thing would look kind of bulky with that thread holding the snap. So yeah, I think it looks really nice. There you can see the little strap. It has some stitching details as well, and it is held in this little like hoops, and they're metal, and the chain is metal as well. Yeah, I would have loved if this could be opened, but again, maybe the snap would look kind of weird here because it has to be sewn. And also the material would be kind of risky because this vinyl material tends to be quite fragile when there's like a lot of stitching details. So yeah, maybe that's why they didn't do the opening option. Then we have her last pair of shoes, which are these like kind of sock shoes and yeah, they're really nice. As you can see, here's the look at the bottom. It has the little Barbie logo right there, and yeah, they look really, really cool. And here we have the last accessory of this doll, which is the cell phone, of course. This is the silver version of this phone. Let me zoom in a little bit. So there you can see the Barbie Style Instagram on the screen, and it is completely silver on the other side. And the other thing that she came with was this certificate of authenticity. It says, at Barbie Style Barbie doll, this certifies that your Barbie Style doll was created through the collaborative efforts of designers and artists at Mattel. And there it says Barbie signature gold label 2021 Mattel, and it is in a thicker kind of cardboard, well, paper. So yeah, that's better than the wrinkly ones we get with the Luxe dolls. So yeah, that's basically it for this doll. Now I'm going to put her in her first outfit so that we can check her out. I'll be right back. Well, so here we have the first look. It looks really, really nice. Actually, I had to untie the top because well, I was able to put it like from the feet up, but then the knot was like getting loose, so I decided to tie it a little bit tighter and closer, because as you can see, there's a little bit of a skin showing right there. But yeah, overall it looks really nice. I really like the color of the shirt. Yeah, everything looks really, really cool. Then we have the little bag. I actually think it does complement the look a little bit. Again, it's not my favorite because it's plastic. It's kind of meh, but yeah, it looks nice. And here we have the jeans. They fit perfectly and they're a little bit high, as you can see. And here we have the issue with the shoes. So of course they are like already bending, which is really unfortunate, but That's kind of sad. But there you can see how they look. They're really interesting. As you can see, the strap like spiraling up her leg looks kind of interesting. But yeah, that's basically it. That's how she looks on the first outfit. Now we're going to check out the second one, and here we have the second look. As you can see, she looks really nice. I really love her. So yeah, as you can see, she has the back crossed on her chest. As you can see, it fits pretty nicely, and of course, if you want to use just this little strap, you can do so. Then we have the skirt. So yeah, it is pretty nice, pretty simple, but like a really sporty look. I really like it. Then we have the shoes, which are really cool. Again, these are my favorite by far. I love them. And the jacket, as I said, it is a little bit oversized, but just a little bit, so there's not that big of a deal about it. And of course, we had to use this top, which is the one that she came with. And also I had to put the stand under the jacket because of course it is really thick fabric, so putting the stand over the jacket, first it was going to ruin the fabric, and second, it was too thick for the stand to grab all of that without breaking. So actually, I don't know why they haven't thought about this with Barbie, because they have like constant releases and they always do this with the stands. Like, they are really average quality, and also, I don't know, they are just not as useful as some other stands, so they really need to fix that. But yeah, here we have the final look of this doll. I'm really happy with the way she looks. She looks really cute. The shoes are really nice, the skirt, everything. She is the most colorful one out of all of the other ones, because of course we have the pink suit and the yellow dress, like shirt, well, blouse and skirt. But I don't know, I really like the combination of the colorful bag with the skirt, which is like really shiny. And yeah, everything. She looks really cute. Tell me in the comments what do you think about her, and don't forget to follow me on my Instagram. I just opened a TikTok, so if you want to check that out, that will be really cool. And yeah, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.